This Hofacker Associates Incorporated property video is presented by Mark Dayton. Here's the home you've been looking for. As you enter the home, you will fall in love with the spacious open floor plan of the living room and kitchen. The kitchen also features a breakfast bar and a pass-through window. The family room, which opens to a large screened-in patio, perfect for entertaining. The backyard is surrounded by a newer white vinyl fencing and has mature landscaping. Some other important features of the home are inside laundry, tankless hot water heater, and a new roof in June of 2022. The home is located in the Fossil Park neighborhood and is just off the 4th Street corridor in St. Petersburg. You will be walking distance to Fossil Park, shopping at Publix, Target, and walk to delicious restaurants. Only minutes to downtown St. Petersburg or an easy commute to Tampa. For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Dayton at 727-527-7373.